Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy M11 and today I would like to show you how you can download pictures from Instagram. Firstly, open Play Store. Now download an app called Repost for Instagram. Remember that it has to be from this developer to work like that. Meanwhile, you can go into your Instagram and pick the photo that you want to download. For example, this one. Tap at the bottom right corner, choose Share to, and pick Repost app. Now go back to it. Pick one of the options and tap Agree. Click on the photo. Choose the square icon to remove the label and click the middle button. As you can see, my picture was successfully downloaded. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!